We back, boys. We got Misa in the car. Look, we got you guys already know what this is, bruh. The Rolls-Royce Stars. How people say it is. We're actually gonna try them out before we start, to be honest. Here, plug it in, plug it in. How the fuck?
I might go take a piss right now.
How the hell fuck? This plugs into that?
Yeah, it's plugged into the little end. No.
No, this doesn't have nothing. Oh, in here.
Oh,
what?
Yeah, that's how it works. That's how it works. Because this is just a fucking light projector. You know that, right?
Oh, is
so
it?
It's gonna project into this, and then it would.
Oh. Okay, that makes sense. We also picked up a hot glue gun. We didn't have one, and we got some hot glue sticks. Dude, imagine hot glue in your asshole.
What?
We're trying to get this done tonight, though. Like by fucking, like what, 6?
Nigga, that is wild. Yeah, I fucking spit hella right.
And then we're gonna go for a little cruise too. Dude, this is gonna look so nice. Let me see. Oh wait, we gotta block the sun.
Nigga, is that gonna be
sus? I'm not trying to be around.
Is that gonna be enough?
Dude, this is not 400. Are you kidding me? Is that 400? Yo, did we just get scammed? Here, I'm gonna count them.
Nigga, you can't be serious.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Alright, let's start by taking off the headliner, bro. And then, oh, I'm already tired. Oh my Alright, let's go. It's not a game, it's a rich thing. Last time we did the headliner, I was almost rage quit, bro. But I'm gonna just be skipping through it. You guys, if you guys want to know, look up a YouTube video, to be honest. But we got most of it out. All we need is the back right here and just what Misa's working on right now. And we'll be done, and then we'll be able to drop it. And then we're gonna have to start poking the holes and all that. Oh my goodness. This man really gonna go pee. Oh my God. Boys, we got the headliner down. We're not taking it off completely. How I told y'all, we just got it like fucking sag down. Bro, look at the previous owner, bro. How you get leaves in this bitch? Finally. I've been needing to go pee for a fucking minute now, bro. God damn. What are you gonna do? Jump the fence?
Nah, I went to go fucking take a fish, right?
Uh-huh.
And I was ordering Chick-fil-A at the moment. I was like, what if I go pick it up and then come back? Then I go.
What? Wait, you ordered Chick-fil-A?
Yeah. I'm gonna go get Chick-fil-A and go.
What the fuck? Here, let me go pee. We're gonna get Chick-fil-A later, fool.
I can eat it twice. I'm not tripping.
Badass. Sus. Nah, I closed it. I closed it before I left. Nigga, open the gas. Oh my God, Misa, what? You got gas? You're getting gas? Oh shit, I'm tripping, bro. How much should I put on the tank? Should I fill it up or just a little bit today?
Matter of fact, I'll pay for you. Look,
Bruh.
Do your first. Oh wait, no,
we
before
need a
we
marker?
I'll be back.
You know what I mean?
This was not savage like me, bro. I would have just gone at it.
Shut up.
So what are you telling me? You just want to go?
And mark it 1. And then 2.
Nigga, I'm not about to write every number to 400,
Alright,
bro.
then just do the fucking black block.
Are you kidding me?
It.
Dude, but you see how and this is?
No, because then we're gonna be able to see how the fuck we actually got them, though, nigga.
Oh, that's kind of sick. I should have been counting though.
Fucking dumbass.
Should I start counting?
I suck this nigga. That's why I told you to write the fucking numbers on the thing.
9, 10, 11, 12,
What?
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
By the end of this video,
27, 27,
remember.
28, 29,
48,
30,
36,
30,
40,
dumbass, what the fuck? 30. taking a while, boys, but let me show you guys real quick. Oh, I don't know if you guys could see though, but we got a good amount. We're about to finish it up. Oh, we'll be back with the finished product pretty much.
Bro, no one's looking at you. You got no ass. Look at, he swears, bro. He swears. Look at him. No. I know he swears. People looking at his ass. Then I caught that on camera.
Oh my god, we finally finished. This shit took way too long. I actually found another pair of scissors too. Yeah, let's cut them, bruh. Huh?
Same night?
They're pretty small too. So it should be legit. Oh my god. Oh. These look pretty sick though. This should take way too long though. Yeah, this shit came out clean, bruh. For real. You can probably see it from out here too. From the window. Oh shit. Oh shit. It's still dark though. We back after the install, boys. Misa's about to finish his bike. Let me show you what it looks like though. Oh yeah, I shaved my beard, bruh. My full beard. You didn't even notice, Misa? That I shaved my full beard? It'd be like that. It'd be like that. Oh, it was not patchy. It was beautiful, fool. They're capping on me, bruh. They're capping on me. But look. Oh wait, you can't even see. You can actually see it in the day. It was just kind of cool. Check it out. It's kind of, well, it's not gonna be as bright, you know, but I fuck with what it looks like, bruh, for real. I'll show you guys again at night, but I mean, this is pretty much it. How does it look in the background, bro? Ooh, it looks pretty cool. It looks pretty cool. Oh, I also vacuumed my car and shit after the aftermath. There's a bunch of those little strands laying about. This fool really just said laying about.
Nigga, where's the reverse? Look at this shit.
Go down, push it down, and then to the left.
Oh, bro, fucking GTIs, man.
Misa, I have a surprise for you. Guess what it is? Guess what it is? Guess what it is? I'll give you the wood right now. Guess what it is, though?
Oh, carbon fiber.
Carbon fiber, nigga. It's a bottle thing.
Shit.
Yeah.
Did you get a matching one?
Yeah, I got one too.
Nice.
We finally finished the bikes. Misa's is done. Mine is done. Well, he's just finishing up right now with the little bar tape. Check it out though. Nice little paint job. It's not even a paint job, huh? It's just fucking, just a nice frame though. Carbon fiber, of course. Has a little sticker. My shit is done. I finally was able to put the seat on. I have carbon fiber as well. God damn. Finally gonna be able to go ride, dude. And we're gonna be fucked. I'm gonna take hella water.
We should.
I got hella water. We'll be chilling for like, god. Woo.
This looks like a dick.
That's so thick. This tape looks better though.
Hell yeah. That's why I like it though.
That's what's up. Nigga has a whole chode on his fucking steering wheel. It does.
Chill. I know. I have some under. That's why, but I wanted double pack.
And it feels more comfortable, huh?
Does it?
Yeah.
That's why I was going.
Oh yeah. Y'all want to see this girl real quick? They be like, nah, nigga, and we don't want to.
Had to run my checks up, cause it ain't shit. Keep it calm, little nigga, don't trip. Never worry about this bigger, cause it ain't shit. Took loss, take loss, cause it ain't shit. Had to run my checks up, cause it ain't shit. Keep it calm, little nigga, don't trip. Never worry about this bitch, cause it ain't shit. $100 turned down, I'ma turn him up. Got my ears to the streets, I didn't heard enough. Keep it on me, I ain't lonely when I'm showing up. Double back through this bitch, I don't give a fuck. My cuz told me outside, guess I'm blowing up. These hoes don't mean no relations, I just wanna fuck. Fucking green, I take out 6 cups. Laced up with the game, I'm soaking up. Shit real and I feel better, keep it tucked. I believe in us, so I believe in luck. Fucking running, got my check, got it running.
just said fuck copyright, bruh. You guys can check it out. It's pretty cool. I was trying to get it like up here a little bit more, that voice crack though. They wouldn't reach, so it's just behind us though. It looks sick though. Once I'm done cruising, vibing to the music, you feel me? I'll go back there and I'll show you guys how the vibe is, you know what I mean? It's a nice vibe, boys. It's a nice vibe. If y'all been thinking about doing this, it's a bitch, but I recommend doing it for sure. It's pretty cool. Then what color do you guys like? Actually, there's a couple colors we can do. I like little purple vibes. Look, let me show you. Let me just go through them real quick, a bunch of them. Like, they look pretty cool, bro. I like this white one. Wait, this white one right here, it's a brighter white. That one's like a dark, that one's like the roof, like stars, as you guys can see. But then this one has like a little bit more colors, and it makes it kind of cool. I like pink though right now. Right now I'm vibing with pink, you feel me? I'm just gonna be cruising for a little bit. I don't know how long I'm gonna cruise for. If anything pops up, you already know the camera's turning on. Like, don't even worry, boys. I'm trying to record more of like my just not day to day, but like just shit I don't really. Oh my god, bro! Fuck, I almost hit this fool. Get out of the way, head ass. Oh no, I didn't. I was close. I'm not gonna lie. Wee. Oh shit! Nah, crazy, dude. I would have been so pissed right there if I got pulled over. But I'm trying to record a little bit more of just more in general. You know what I mean? I'm still getting comfortable with the camera. I've been liking how my videos been turning out lately, so that's always a good thing, you know. I appreciate you guys for watching, and that's pretty much it. I'll be back once I park up or whatever, and I'll be in the back vibing, you feel me? But I'll show you guys right now. All right, y'all see me, bro? Hey, I'm in the back right now. Yo, I haven't even been in the back actually. Yo, can I? Oh my god, hold up. Let me lock the doors, bro. Okay. Oh my god, bro, that shit looks sick. Yo, this is a cool little vibe. You see, you got your little day over here. You know what I'm saying? You have the drive-ins or something. You're like, so, what you? All right, never mind. Hold up. I can't even spit game to this girl. Hold on. I'm trying to spit game, but she's kind of cute, so I'm getting kind of nervous, bro. I can't even talk right now. Yo, do you? Fuck, boys, I can't do this right now. I'm like, I gotta go, girl. Sorry. Let's see, white. Win the Rolls Royce with it. Okay, boys. I at least see this one. Look at all the different colors. Fuck, bruh. Red. Little evil theme. Green. What the fuck, bruh? This shit is sick. Boys, let me know what you guys think, boys. If you guys, honestly, I said earlier, if you guys ever been thinking about doing it, pull the trigger, go through it, boys. I mean, it's gonna be a bit, but it's worth it for sure. I mean, just look at this, bro. I don't know if you guys can see me. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one.